I'm not even gonna waste no time. You already see the title of this video. And 9 times out of 10, if you watching this right now, I know you're going through it. But I'm gonna talk to you, man. I'm gonna keep it all the way 100 because somebody has to tell you how to fix this. Let's get into it. This year has been insane already. We thought it was a correction we was dealing with. Then this war with Russia and the Ukraine popped off, so that took the whole market into another frenzy. One day it's bullish, one day it's bearish. You don't know which way to go. If you swing a trade, you might get clapped if you in the wrong sector. I know a lot of these sectors like oil has been going crazy the last few weeks, but a lot of us like playing tech stocks and things of that nature. And if you're in at the wrong time, things can get ugly. Trust me, I understand. But I'm going to talk to you about a couple things, man, because I want the best for y'all, man. I really want y'all to run it up. You know, I done ran a lot of money up in this market. You know what I'm saying? This market has paid for a ton of things. This market has truly changed my life. You know what I'm saying? I've been an entrepreneur for 10 years. I tell everybody, you know, it's nothing like the gains that's in the market. You know what I mean? It's a lot of things in the market you don't have to deal with that you have to deal with in business. So I want y'all to be successful with this thing. Not only that, if you have a job, you can have this on the side. The market can be your business on the side. Your portfolio is your business if you look at it that way. So I want y'all to be successful. I done seen a lot of people come and go. So I know it's a lot of people quitting. Especially this year, I know a lot of people are just tired of this market. But I want y'all to be successful when it comes to options, man, because it's a lucrative way to make money in the market, but it is risky. And if you play the game wrong, then you can lose a lot. And I don't want that to happen for y'all. So first thing first, man, I want y'all to start focusing on the right things, man, because, you know, when you come into this market, it's easy to play this thing the wrong way. It's easy to look at this as gambling. You know what I'm saying? Because you can blur the two if you come in the game wrong. So it's something that I want y'all to focus on. When you're getting into a trade, the first thing I want you to think about is your entry. No, not just buying a contract just to buy. No, I want you to focus on your setups. I want the setups to be perfect. I do not want you just hopping in trades for the hell of it. Your setups have to be on point. And you have to have discipline with what you look at to get into. So your entries have to be on point. You know what I'm saying? Because if you get the right entry, the question now is, should I take my profits? Because 9 times out of 10, if you catch the right side of momentum, then you're going to get 10 to 20% off the rip out of that trade. You know what I'm saying? And if you keep compounding 10 to 20% gains, you know, that can do a lot for your portfolio. I know everybody want to get to the 100% and all of that, but right now, if you're watching this video, you need to put numbers on the board. You know what I'm saying? You can't be hoping and wishing for out the park plays every single trade. You need to get some consistency, and you can get some consistency out of focusing on the right entries to snag 10 to 20%. So you got to make sure you build up a strategy where you're finding the right setups. And you taking advantage of those each and every time. Now, a big thing about what I just told y'all about the right entry is taking your profits. I know a lot of people have been seeing green because I know how options work. Now, the thing with options is, you know, it start playing with your mind. As soon as you start seeing that green come up and you've been taking L's, you start to get greedy. You want to see more. Or you're looking to make your money back. You know what I'm saying? And you can easily turn a winner into a loser. And I don't want y'all to do that anymore. I don't want y'all turning winners into losers. So when you're up 10%, 20%, 30, 40, 50, I want you to start looking for your exit. Getting out of that trade, locking that money in, and moving on. You gotta take your profits. And if things go left, please stop hoping and wishing for things to come back. Your risk management has to be on point. So whatever your stop loss is, My personal stop loss is 20%. When it comes to options, you know things can fluctuate in between, 0 to 20%. So 20% is the max that I'm looking to lose. You know what I mean? When that 20% hit, I'm getting out of that trade. That's a losing trade. I'm gone. I don't care if it comes back, whatever. I'm out of there. You do not want to hope and wish. You have to protect your portfolio. I'm telling you, that's a big part of it. Everything isn't about making all of the money in the world. You have to maintain what you have, and you have to survive in this market to find your opportunity. A lot of times, what's gonna happen is, by you sitting in that trade hoping that it comes back, you're gonna miss an opportunity where you could have made that money back and made so much more. So you gotta get out of there. You gotta cut the loss when it comes. Do not be doing that hoping and wishing. That's over with. Ain't no hoping and wishing in the market, man. It's not. You have to cut the loss. Risk management is everything. Another thing is, stop over leveraging. Stop putting up more than you're willing to lose. When you do that, it's messing with your psychology. When you putting up more, now you don't want to lose that 20% because you don't put up too much. Man, understand this. You're not going to get rich off of one trade. Can it happen? Yeah. But the chances are slim to none. So you might as well think about compounding. You know what I'm saying? Take it one trade at a time. You know what I mean? Stop over leveraging. Put up what you're willing to lose. And when you're thinking about what you're willing to lose, think about, that 20%. Is that 20% you could potentially lose going to hurt you? If it's not, if it's something that you're comfortable with losing, then put up that amount. You know what I'm saying? Think of it like that. So I want y'all to start taking risk management serious, because that's what's going to keep you in the game. I'm telling you, taking those profits and cutting those losses is the thing that's going to take you to the next level. Now, when it comes to options, I know it's a lot of y'all out there doing this, man. So I'm going to tell y'all right now, and I say it all the time, stay away from the weekly contracts, please. If you do not know what you're doing, if you're not a great trader, if you're not nice with the technical analysis and you can catch the perfect interest, stay away from the weeklies. Stay away from them. And I know a lot of y'all in these discords, you know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all watching this right now in my discord. But you see, I rarely call weekly contracts. The reason being is because if I call it out, it may be 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes before you see that post. And with weekly contracts, timing is everything. And if you catch one of those contracts at the wrong time and you on the other side of where you needed to go, things can get ugly fast. I'm talking about a dollar move that's not in the direction that you needed to be. You can get clapped out 50, 60% like that. You know what I'm saying? So I want y'all to understand that. Give yourself at least a week or two on that contract and make sure it's at the money, right by the underlying price, about 1 or 2 strikes. I want it right there. So as soon as it starts to move in your direction, you can start making money. Anything other than 1 or 2 strikes, we off that. We off that. Somebody gonna be mad about me saying that, but we off that. I don't care. We off that. We want to be right there where we can start making money and seeing our profits on our contracts. You know what I'm saying? We want to put ourselves in high probability situations, and we don't want to be doing those crazy out of the money calls and puts. So I want y'all to get that out of your mind. Right now, we off that, and we off those weeklies. It's over with. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you killing it off weeklies, do your thing. Get that money. Don't let me change anything. But if you getting clapped up, leave those weeklies alone. And if you're watching this video and you need it, 9 times out of 10, you listen to this right now and you saying, yo, Reed, you talking that talk to me. So I'm telling y'all, man, leave those weeklies alone, bro. I promise you. Leave them alone. Now, anything that you lost in this market, let it go. It's over. It's gone. The more you chase it, the more it's going to run away from you. So you might as well get it out your head. it's not coming back the way that you want it. You gotta focus on a new journey. You gotta focus on doing everything, and I'm telling you right now, so you can get that money back, in the long term of things. The safe way, the right way. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to chase that money back. It's like, you ever had like a girl that you really wanted and you was chasing her, or it was a dude that you really wanted and you was chasing him and they didn't want you like that? The more that you chase, they got away from you. It's like that. And it's like that other person that really didn't care that much, they easily bagged them because they weren't tripping like you was tripping. And that's how it is with money. You gotta stop chasing the shit like that, man. You gotta just let it come to you, and you gotta let these trades come to you so you can snatch this bread. Let these trades come to you, man. Stop doing the most. Simplify everything. Now, if you link with me, I'm gonna give you the strategies that I use, man. 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be what you need to see the market, to see through the matrix. I'm telling you, man. So, soon I'll be doing that on a video, man, because I want y'all to understand all of the technical analysis that can help you with finding the right entries and finding the right exits and things of that nature. And I'm telling y'all, man, these are simple strategies, that you can use. But the big thing for me is these emotional things, because they're so simple, but they're so hard at the same time, man. I want y'all to take control of your emotions in this market, because that's what's going to take you to the next level, man. You can be the best trader in the world. That still don't mean you're going to be profitable if you can't get in control of your emotions. Please do these things so we can run this bag up. Quit playing in this market. And it's so much more. I'm going to come back with so much more. This is just the beginning. But y'all have to get these things out of your system as options traders. Please. Oh yeah, before I rock out, another thing. Think about the 5 most successful tickers that you have ever traded in this market, and stick with those. Because that way you can learn everything about that stock, and you'll know everything that's going on with that stock, so you can take advantage of all of the big moves that it makes. If you know me, you know my journey, then you know I love Square. So I can see things happening on Square from a mile away. You know what I mean? So that's in my top 5 that I like to trade. So focus on the tickers that you've been the most successful with. You don't have to run around this market looking for different news on things. It's cool to be up on things, but put your top 5 on your watch list and take advantage of what's going on with those stocks day in and day out. And I'm telling you, man, you're going to run up a crazy bag. That's how I ran up that 100K in January, focusing on Square and AMD. I want y'all to do the same thing, man. I want y'all to run up a bag in this market, man. Quit playing. It's time to get this money, dog. I'm telling you. Because I'm going to get in this market and I'm going to get it. I want you to get it too. You know what I mean? I want us all to come up together. It is what it is. So let's do the right things, man. I don't want nobody giving up anymore. I don't want nobody feeling like options trading isn't for them, because it is. If you want it to be. It might not be for everybody, but whoever really understands what this can do for their life, and if you want this to be for you, it will be for you. But you got to cut out all of that emotional. I was about to curse. I'm trying to cut out my cursing, man. So I was about to curse, so I had to cut that out. I'm trying, man. But I want everybody to run it up in this market. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'll be back with some more. But please do these things for me. That's in this video. Let's get this money, man. It's never the market, man. Always the trader. Remember that. Do not make excuses for yourself. It's never the market. Always the trader. Because it's always a bag for us in this market, I'm telling you. Let's get it, man. This your boy Rico. You know where to find me. Stock Market Moves. Join my Discord. I'm giving a month off for free for anybody that want to learn how to become a better options trader. We do a live Zoom call each and every day in the pit. You can link up with my boy AB in there. It's one of the mentors in the group. He's going to get you right. I'm going to get you right. We got plays in there. We got a phenomenal community. Feel like it would be dope for your trading journey. So come check us out, Stock Market Moves. The link is in my bio or in my caption, whatever. It's there. Go check it out. Go sign up. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And let me know what some other issues that you're having. And I'll speak on them in the next video. With all that being said, y'all have a great evening. The world is yours.